Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use multiblox. We'll go through the important settings, features, and everything you should know to get started. First of all, multiblox is one of the most advanced multi-instance managers currently available for Roblox, with a huge variety of settings and features. Alright, with that being said, let's start by going through the settings. The first option is low CPU usage. When this option is enabled, and there are no new Roblox processes being opened, multiblox will stay idle and use as little CPU as possible. Next, we have rename windows. Multiblox can rename each Roblox window using the name of its corresponding instance, making your accounts much easier to identify. Now, this next option, called Quarantine Installer, is very important. If the Roblox installer keeps popping up when you try launching a second account, I recommend enabling this option. Sometimes, after closing multiblox and opening it again, the Roblox installer might start appearing even though Quarantine Installer is already enabled. If that happens, simply turn the option off, turn it back on again, and then try launching your accounts. For most users, I don't recommend changing these settings unless you know what you're doing. However, they can make a pretty big difference when you're running a large number of accounts. For example, if you're running 5, 10, or even more Roblox accounts at the same time, optimizing these settings can reduce the amount of resources each instance uses. Now let's move on to the launch settings. Multiblox gives you the ability to change which Roblox bootstrapper or launcher it detects. For example, if you're using something like Bloxstrap, Voidstrap, or Fishstrap, you can enable Use Custom Launcher. After that, click the Auto Detect Bootstrapper button. Multiblox will automatically search your computer and attempt to find the bootstrapper you're currently using. Personally, I don't use a custom bootstrapper, so Multiblox won't find one on my computer. If automatic detection doesn't work for you, you can also manually browse your files and select your custom bootstrapper. Next, we have the interface settings. One example is window transparency. This allows you to make the multiblox interface partially transparent, so you can see through the application. Now let's talk about the script section. I want to make something very clear here. Multiblox is not a Roblox executor. It cannot execute Lua scripts or inject scripts into Roblox. This feature is intended for more advanced users, so I'll make a separate video explaining multiblox scripts in more detail and showing exactly how to use them. For now, the important thing to know is that multiblox can run external scripts written in languages such as Python, JavaScript, Batch, and PowerShell. Moving on to automation settings, you have the option to enable Anti-AFK. When enabled, multiblox will help prevent your Roblox instances from being disconnected due to inactivity. There is also an auto-rejoin feature. Keep in mind that auto-rejoin only works with saved accounts, and the feature is currently a little buggy, so your experience may vary. Now I'm going to show you the different ways you can launch Roblox accounts using multiblox. The first method is also the easiest. You can simply launch your Roblox accounts directly through your web browser. That's literally it. Open Roblox in your browser, launch the account, and multiblox will automatically detect and isolate the Roblox process for you. And there we go. Simple as that. Once your instances are running, you can manage them directly from the multiblox dashboard. You can click on an instance to view detailed information about it. For example, you can see performance statistics, CPU usage, account information, which game the account is currently playing, and more. You can also disconnect an instance directly from the dashboard. The rejoin button will only appear for saved accounts. When you use it, multiblox will automatically rejoin the game that you configured in that saved account settings. You might also occasionally see an idle instance on your dashboard even after closing all of your Roblox windows. If that happens and it bothers you, you can safely disconnect the idle instance. Now let's go through saved accounts. To save a Roblox account inside multiblox, you need to provide that account's .roblo security cookie. Your .roblo security cookie provides access to your Roblox session, so you should treat it like a password and never share it with anyone you don't trust. If you're not comfortable storing your cookie in multiblox, you do not need to use this feature. Saved accounts are completely optional. You can continue launching all of your accounts through your web browser without saving any account information inside multiblox. You can check whether their sessions are still valid by selecting an account and refreshing it. You'll need to click twice to confirm the refresh. Saved accounts can either be configured individually, or you can organize multiple accounts into a group. For this example, I'm going to create a group and configure it so that all of the accounts inside the group can be launched at the same time. Inside the group configuration panel, you can change the group name and add or remove accounts from the group. On the right side, you'll find the game configuration. Here, you can enter the place ID of the Roblox game you want your accounts to join. You can also enter a job ID, which allows you to target a specific Roblox server. The job ID is completely optional. If you're using a private server, you can also configure a private server code. As you continue using multiblox, your 5 most frequently used games will begin appearing at the top, allowing you to quickly select them instead of entering the place ID every time. For this example, I'm going to select Murder Mystery 2 since it already appears in my favorites. Then I'll save the configuration. After that, I can open the group again and click Launch All. Now we can go back to the dashboard and make sure everything is working correctly. And there we go. All of the accounts inside my group have automatically launched, and every Roblox instance has been isolated by multiblox. And that's pretty much everything you need to know to get started with multiblox. There are still a lot of more advanced features that I haven't covered in this video, so I'll be making more detailed tutorials soon. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. You can also join the multiblox Discord server if you need help or want to stay updated with the project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.